What is happening, guys? This is a little update video because a lot of you have been asking about the whaler, and it's pretty much ready. Before I get to the whaler, one other thing. So it's springtime. It's starting to get nicer out. So all these companies start reaching out because that's when they try to ramp up their sales. So you get hit up to be sent a lot of stuff. And I try to only receive stuff that I think I'm actually going to use on the channel. And I got sent another e-bike from Hovsco. This one is a carrier bike. E-bike. It goes up to 20 miles per hour. It has the carrier basket. It had 2 footrests here that I didn't put on, that if you had like a kid or something sitting on the back there, you could put them on. It has 7 speeds and a pedal assist. Let's turn this guy on. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. If it's shaking or whatever, it actually has what level pedal assist you're on, how fast you're going. I took it for a spin and we got it up to 25 miles per hour. So this thing cooks. Now my other e-bike that I showed you guys before, I actually turned into a fishing bike and I put rod holders on it. So my idea with this one is gonna be more so for local stuff, but I'm gonna start outfitting it so that I can make it into a crabbing bike, because locally here I have a couple of beaches. We're actually gonna take a ride down to one just to scout it right now, that I can throw a crab trap and then just not have to use my truck and just take the e-bike, which is pretty cool. But we'll get back to that in a second. Let me show you what we're actually here for, which is the Boston Whaler project. So there's still a couple of things that need to be done. Not much though. When I say not much, I mean not much. It is pretty much ready to be dropped into the water. Huge shout out to American Marine here that did an incredible job of putting on the motor and running all of the electric for me. Okay, so let me go through everything so far. So we have the Suzuki 30, we have a new gas tank there, we have a new battery. Now I didn't use the lithium battery. I went with a traditional acid battery because Keith at American Marine just said go with this at first and then use the lithium for something else. So we have bilge pump put in. All of the wiring is just absolutely flawlessly done. Up here to the throttle, and then I have my helm. This is all the wood that I was doing in the basement there. I have my switches, I have my running lights, anchor light, electronics, and bilge pump. The electronics I will have here mounted. I'll show you that in a second, which is pretty funny. Check that out. And then I have new running lights there. And then, yeah, let me show you. So this, my Garmin, we're going to attach like so, because there just wasn't enough room to anchor it into the helm. So there's my Garmin, run like that. The only things that I have to do, I have to attach the backrest here. I have to figure something out, and then I am going to attach, I don't know if you can see under there, I have a support for the seat. I thought these were going to be enough because they come out to about here, but I did notice when I sat on the seat it was sagging a little bit, so we're going to put in just a support in the middle like that, right in the center there. and that'll keep that seat from sagging. I also am contemplating getting a piece of mahogany for the anchor. We also need an anchor. But other than that, she's done. They also did a bottom coat. We fixed the paint on the sides. There were 2 holes. There was one actually underneath, and there was one on the side right here that they did a phenomenal job of fixing. And the bottom might look a little rough to you, but to save some money there, we didn't sand it all the way down, just kind of got all the big chips off of it and then painted the bottom paint right over. So that's it, guys. The whaler is like days away from getting dropped into the water. So with all of that said, let's take the Hovsco Hovcart and head down to the beach. I'm going to show you where I think I can do some crabbing. I'm going to wait until the weather gets just a little bit warmer and the water warms up just a little bit more, because I don't think the crabs are on the move yet, but we're going to take a ride and I'll show you where I'm going to drop my traps. So as I said, there's a pedal assist on here. Right now it's on 0, but if we put that up to, let's go to 4, this thing takes off like you wouldn't believe. So I don't even need to pedal. If I push down the throttle, it levels off at about 18 miles per hour. But if I put it on pedal assist 5, we got up to about 23 miles per hour there. All right, so no lie, this thing rips. It is awesome. And I mean, the fact that I'm gonna be able to load all my crab gear on here, these shocks are sick. This thing cooks. The Hovsco Hovcart bike comes with a torque sensor, and it says that you can load this bike up to 450 pounds of cargo. It can go 40 to 60 miles on a single battery charge. And speaking of the battery, unlike other e-bikes, the Hovsco bikes come with a Samsung LG battery. They also offer free shipping and a 2-year warranty. If you're at all interested, I'm going to put a link below that will get you $100 off using my discount code, and you can check out this bike and others. But let me show you where I think we could get some crabbing done. You're looking at it right there. So at the end of that dock, if on a low tide, I walk out there, set that trap, tie it to one of the pillars there, and then let it soak for 3-4 days. I think we're doing pretty good. I feel like we're definitely gonna have to test it though to make sure that we don't end up with a bunch of green crab, because that is not what we want. What we want is blue crab. And I have seen a couple in here. I'm just hoping that there's more blue crab than there is green. But with that said, I'm actually headed back to the house to try to get the backrest onto the whaler. And I got to pick up some other things like the decals for the numbers on the side and the anchor. Very important, the anchor. But we'll have that baby in the water. I'm hoping by next week I'll have it in the water and have a video for you guys. And on the Hovsco bike, the Hovcart, I hope to have a crabbing video come in within the next week. Once the temps start going up just a little bit, I'm gonna get to crabbing. So thanks for just seeing a short update, and I will see you guys on the next one.